Hey, and welcome back to Hootie Style Channel and our very first giveaway. Since we have passed a bit over 600 subscribers, we have planned a small treat for you. Since you obviously appreciate us, we want you to know that we appreciate you too. We're giving away an Arduino Uno board for you to tinker with.
No way!
Shipping paid for anywhere in the world, except if you happen to live on a science base on Antarctica, that might become a problem. Come to think of it, if you live in North Korea, that might also become a problem. And a few other places I can think of. But we will do our best to get you that package. All you have to do, except for paying for possible import duties and taxes, is to throw us a comment below with the idea of an episode you'd like to see. And it doesn't have to be a tutorial. It can be a product review, an Ask Me Anything, an opinion piece, open discussions, or whatever you want. You're the boss, so give us a comment and you'll join the giveaway. We'll keep it open until the last of May. Then we'll let you know who won in an upcoming video. You got all the rules in the description of this video, so start brainstorming and shoot us a comment. Good luck, Hootie out.